Hey, what's happening, guys? I just wanted to end up. All right, there we go. Hey, I just wanted to end up making this video. Hopefully, you guys all watch it. I'm just going to post it. I'm not going to make an assignment. A couple things. Today's technically Friday. You don't have any school tomorrow. At least you don't have a warm up. It's pretty much up to you on what you guys have gotten done in the class. Some of you guys have done an amazing job reaching out, posting in the comments, writing me messages like in Focus. I know both Logan's, Emily reached out, Mitchell's reached out, Serenity's reached out. Ivan, I was talking to Kylie and Adam yesterday. Raymond, I know I wished him a happy birthday and he wrote out and thanked me. Guys, you got to communicate with me. You got to contact me so I know what is taking place. Right now, I think I still have like 11 students that haven't even taken the test yourself assessment, which was due last Sunday. Okay. So I just want to kind of give you a quick recap. Every week's going to be the same. You have a warm up every single day, just a tiny little bit percentage of your grade. And then you have to watch three Algebra Nation videos, three Algebra Nation videos, 100%. And that's another 10% of your grade. Guys, 10%, it helps out. Believe it or not, it does help out. Then you have the assessment, that's 80%, which is a lot, but you can take it as many times as you want. That is going to be due on Sunday at midnight. We did an extension this week because I know a lot of you guys are getting used to it. You guys can't reach out to me on like in 2 or 3 weeks saying, hey, I didn't know what to do. I've posted multiple tutorial videos. Email me, I'll email back. You can write me messages in Focus, I'll write back. I mean, I can only do so much. All right. So this week, do this Sunday, there's no extension, no extension this Sunday at midnight. A lot of you guys wrote, I know Ivan, you wrote saying, I got to curve this. This sucks. It's hard. Guys, I can see how many times you took it. If you took it one time and you got a 10% F on it and it took you 3 minutes to do it, yeah, you're going to have a crappy score. The students that usually spent like 30, 40 minutes on it did rather well. I know Aaron, I think he only took it once, but he took it seriously and killed it. Also, I curved it. I curved it 20%. So if you got a 50% F, you bounced all the way up to 70% C. I curved it 20%. I put a huge curve on it to help you out. Like Cooper, he even sent me a message asking why he got a good grade like he did. Guys, the ones that work hard, and if you get a 60 or a 50 on it, you're going to bounce up 20%. Okay? I know Kylie just did the section 2 test yourself assessment. She said she took it one time and got an 80. All right? I think section 2 is easier. It's just equations and inequalities, which you can see here. Expressions are just a headache. They're hard to put together. They're really hard to see. Hopefully section 2 is easier. All right. I know I've already made a post. I'm telling you again, it's due Sunday by midnight. You guys need to watch the topic 2 video. All right. Remember, you can pick any person you want. You don't have to watch topic 2 with Amy, Ashley, Darnell, all of these people. You have to watch topic 2 one time all the way through. Then you have to watch topic 3 one time all the way through. And then you have to come down here and watch topic 8 one time all the way through. All right. And then at the bottom of section 2, because this is the second week, you have to click on the test yourself practice tool. All right. Next week, it's the exact same thing. Nothing is changing. Okay. You can look at your results. You can see them. I will take your highest grade. All right. I will take your highest grade. I just wanted to end up posting this video because there's still confusion out there on what you guys need to get done. Just don't wait until Sunday night. You shouldn't really, I mean, if you wanted to knock everything out every Monday, go for it. I mean, that's your choice, guys. Go for it. Once again, reach out with me with questions. I know some of you, internet's a struggle. It's been really iffy for me because Spectrum, I think, is overwhelmed. Communicate, send me messages, email me with questions. You can't wait 3 or 4 weeks down the road and have a 10% F and say, I need a better grade. Now is the time where you will get the better grades. Now's the time. Do it every week. I'm updating your grade daily so you know exactly where you are. Okay? And guys, I just pulled this up. You can see that I can pull up reports. I can pull up the test yourself report and the video report so I can tell exactly what you guys are watching and what you guys are completing. All right, because some of you sent me messages saying, oh, I watched all the videos. Oh, this is the grade I got. Guys, I'm going to double check. All right, so some of you already lied, even sending me emails and messages. All right, remember, it's not my first time teaching. I'm not an idiot. Go ahead, just make sure you're completing stuff. All right, I don't know. I want to say do something fun this weekend. I'm sure you guys are even bored at playing PlayStation. Anyways, be safe. That's pretty much all we're all doing right now. All right. But I will talk to you guys later. Oh, unless you guys want to see a video of the dogs. All right. Here, I'm going to change me so you guys can get a better video. All right. Here's one of them. All right. She's the skinny one. This is my large dog. All right. Yeah. Hi, Noli. How you doing? All right. And then we have another one somewhere else, but I'll end up showing you that guy another day. So 3 animals. It's a lot. But I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Message me if you have any questions, concerns. Stay amazing. Sorry the video was so long. I'm sure you guys are going to skip through it anyways.